hiccups. Poor baby.
Oh, goodness. Is it going to make you mad? What?
What are you laughing at?
It does. It looks like she's annoyed. Like, I do not get you guys. I do not understand that sense of humor.
Oh.